Motefee is an online platform that allows users to create, design, and sell custom products like shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other merchandise. It operates on a print-on-demand business model, which means products are only printed when someone places an order. This makes it easy for beginners to start their own online store without the need for significant upfront investment. To make money online with Motefee in 2024, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Sign up for a free account. Visit the Moteefe website, moteefe.com, and create an account by providing your name, email address, and setting a password. Confirm your email to activate your account. 2. Explore product categories. Familiarize yourself with the various product categories available on Motefee, such as t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, and more. Understand the target audience for each product type and the design trends that are popular. 3. Choose a niche. Identify a specific niche or topic that interests you or has a strong demand in the market. This could be anything from pop culture, sports teams, hobbies, or even your local community. 4. Design your products. Use Motefee's design tools or external design software to create unique and eye-catching designs for your chosen niche. Make sure your designs are visually appealing, clear, and easy to understand. 5. Set up your online store. Create a storefront on Motefee where you can showcase your products. Customize your store's appearance by selecting a theme, adding a logo, and writing an engaging description. 6. Price your products. Determine the price of your products based on the cost of production, your desired profit margin, and the market competition. Motefee provides pricing guidelines and tools to help you with this. 7. Promote your products. Share your store and products on social media platforms, online forums, and other relevant online communities to attract potential customers. Use targeted advertising campaigns on social media to reach a wider audience. 8. Monitor sales and performance. Keep track of your sales, product performance, and customer feedback. Analyze this data to identify trends, improve your designs, and adjust your pricing strategy if needed. 9. Expand your product range. As you gain experience and confidence, consider adding more products to your store or exploring new niches. This will help you diversify your income and reach a broader customer base. 10. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the latest design trends, marketing strategies, and industry news to ensure you remain competitive and relevant in the market. By following these steps, you can start making money online with Motefee in 2024 and build a successful business selling custom products. Remember to be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your products and marketing strategies.